Hello there. Are you my appointment? Yes. Okay. Yes. Just have a seat for me. Perfect. Perfect. Yes. Have a seat. Yes, I will be right there with you. Thank you. And what did you want today? You look. I'm just going to feel your hair. You're very thin hair, my friend. Very fine. You trim? This it? Oh no. That won't do. Your hair is very oily too. Very thin. You need, first of all, to wash the hair, and then some layers, I think, would look good for you. Make your hair look a little more thick, maybe. Yes, I think so. Okay. Yes, I am professional. Yes, I've been doing this based, like since birth, the grooming, and I always did my sisters and my brothers' hairs and groomed them. Yes. Family business, you could say. My mother, she did all the grooming. Yes. Okay, friend. Okay, just sit down for me. I'm going to wash your hair, and we'll get started. Okay, friend. Okay. So I'm going to begin to wash the hair. Okay. Just sit down. What is problem? I'm going to wash your hair. It's very oily. You don't understand. This is secret from my country. Yes, my country, we do this, and everybody's hair is very nice. As you can see, I can't stop touching. Mine is so soft. Yes, it will. No, your hair will not look like mine today. Maybe future, but not today. No, make promise. Okay, just sit down. Okay, perfect, my friend. All the oil looks like it's gone for the moment. So let's begin by just brushing the hair. Just brush the hair, and we will get started with the cut. Okay? Okay, friend. You see the Hello Kitty is so cute. Yes. You don't like cats? Oh, interesting. Yes. Oh, nothing. You like dogs, huh? Because dogs do what you tell them. They're so happy. But then they kill people. Okay, so the cats do not do this because they are small. No, I do not think I am being the dramatic. No, I do not think. Well, anyway, also the dogs, they stink. They stink. They do not groom themselves like a cat. They stink. Smell like, I don't know, like wet. Yes, stinky. Okay, so now we will begin the cut, okay? Perfect, perfect. This is my sister's cat. Yes, isn't she so lovely? Even though you say you hate her, she did here. That's why she's here right now. I'm just kidding. No, it's okay, Svelana. No, she is angry at you. No, this is okay. This is okay. Anyway, my friend, your hair is done now. Do you want me to curl? You do have the fine hair, like I said. So, okay, I do the curl. Okay, I'm going to do the curl for you, just to give your hair some little volume. Okay. I did also give you bang. I did not tell you, but you do have bang now. Okay. Okay, friend, we just put on oil for you for the ends, okay? And then you will be good to go. Okay. Okay, my friend, please look at your hair. I know, I am the best at this. Yes, friend. Oh, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I know that I am just a no salon, but I am, trying to put my name out there, so I do appreciate you coming. I also do the skincare, I do the makeup, I do, right now, I am getting licensed for Botox. And, you do have some stress lines. Do you work a lot? So come see me in like a couple of months for the Botox and get my license. Just for you, friend. For you, friend. For you. Okay. Okay. Ciao now, my friend.